Today's story is called Animals Run Away. An old woman had chickens and an old rooster. Her grandson visited her. She decided to kill the old rooster. The old rooster ran away to the big city. The old rooster met the cat running away from her boss. The old rooster and the cat met the dog running away. They were joined by a horse which was running away too. The animals came to a house. They saw thieves inside. The animals sang loudly to chase away the thieves. They ate the food they found in the house. The thieves returned later. The animals attacked them. The thieves ran away forever. The animals lived together happily in the house.